Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So guys, today we have a part-time as well as a full-time job opening from Swiggy to be discussed. You know about Swiggy, right? It's the largest food delivery and food ordering platform based in Bangalore. So Swiggy is hiring for the customer support, that is customer support chat process. They are hiring for this position. There are two openings available, one for the 5-hour service and another for 8-hour service. So coming to the job description, they have clearly mentioned it's resolving chat raised by the customer through their application. You may be knowing, like when you order some food or something, it is very important to keep in touch because there will be some queries to be done, so that you will be handling there, okay, as you interface to them. And then there will be something like the cancellation plans. If somebody plans, then like accepting that, approving that, the customers will be raising ticket, you have to resolve that. So these are the basic things that you will be doing when you get into this position. So in detail, it's something like provide inbound chat support in the customer service activity by answering customer calls and making out calls to PDP stores. Then establish relationship and trust with customer PDPs stores by ensuring qualitative services. Know the products inside and out so that you can answer queries and resolve complaints, process orders, forms, application and requests. Keep record of customer interaction, transactions, compliments and complaints. Then maintain positive, empathetic and professional attitude towards customers at all times and ensure customer satisfaction through a professional chat support system. Okay, so this is about it. As I've mentioned, you will be handling with the customers like their queries. So you are basically handling the almost all functional aspects of Swiggy themselves. Now coming to the selection criteria and the eligibility criteria, it's very minimal, okay? Most of you can join here. So first, that is you can be a 12th pass or any graduate. If you're a 12th pass, it's completely fine. If you graduated any stream, any batch, it's completely fine. Then English proficiency is a must, both written and verbal, plus Hindi speaking is an added advantage. So obviously, yes, the common language that we use is English. So it's important to have the communication knowledge in English. It doesn't mean that you should have the right accent, you must be a great communicator. It do means that you must be able to understand what the customer is talking to you, and you must be able to reply to them as well. And Hindi is one of the accepted language, which is an added advantage here. And now, good typing skills of about 20 words per minute, then 90% accuracy, ability to handle multiple tasks simultaneously with appropriate while performing customer service. Then professional mail drafting, added advantage, must have a laptop or computer with good camera. Then Android mobile phone with of the latest version is preferred, but if your mobile phone is in working condition, then you can go for that. And genuine Windows 10 home edition and above is mandatory. Web camera is mandatory. Chrome browser is a must. Then minimum 4 GB RAM, minimum 200 to 500 GB hard disk, and high speed internet connectivity, preferably broadband or Wi-Fi. A silent room to work, fresher or experience any field welcomed here, who is 18 plus. And some of the things that you should have in with yourself, that is a system, a smartphone, then good internet connectivity, a good working environment and everything. And the location will be work from home. Obviously all the jobs right now is work from home, and the training period will be like 2 days of skill training will be there, and 5 days product and process training, then 6 days on the job training, and the 1 day there will be certification as well. So these are the total training schedule for this particular, because you need to know that how does they work, all the process is going there. It is very important, so it is a mandatory thing. And now coming to the salary package, fixed payout is 6,600 for 93 hours, that is per month, like per hour you will be getting 71 rupees. It's calculated among that, and it will be variable payout as well, that is incentives for the months will be available on target. So CS80 is 75 percentage, payout rupees 500 per month. FTR 92 percentage, payout rupees 500 per month. Quality 90 percentage, payout rupees 500 per month. Okay, and now coming to the stipend, yes, when you going through the training process, you will be receiving the stipend as well. So 3,000 is a stipend amount, that is a training stipend you will be paid for attending the training, OGT and certification process subject to certification clearance. Then stipend will be paid after the completion of 30 working days in production with the following month's salary. Okay, so this is about the salary and the stipend details provided. And now coming to the working schedule or working hours. 26 days a month you will be working, and 5 hours a day is the time required, and you cannot take leaves on like Friday, Saturday and Sunday is a mandatory working day, and you will be getting week on the other days in the week. Okay, then the shifting they are providing is 7 p.m. to 12 a.m. and you must be available from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Then it is for additional support. Like if you need them to get in, then you must be available as well. And now this is about the customer chat process. This one opening available at Swiggy, and we have another opening. So job description is same. You have to resolve the chat, you have to get in connect with the customers, you have to get the transaction details and all these kind of details regarding the orders that undertaking out there, and you have to reach out the stores and all these kind of things are same with it. You will be getting in touch with that and process orders, forms, application and request, keep records of the customers interactions, transactions, comments and complaints, then maintain positive, empathetic and a professional attitude towards customer at all times, ensure customer satisfaction and provide professional chat support on chats. Okay, so this is about the job description. It's similar to that itself. And now coming to the selection criteria too, it is open for 12th pass and graduate in any stream. English proficiency is must and Hindi speaking is a added advantage. Now coming to the typing, you must be good at typing skill as well, like 20 words per minute is used and 90% accuracy is what you needed in that. And ability to handle multiple tasks simultaneously with appropriate priority while performing customer service. Then professional mail drafting skill is added advantage. Must have a laptop or computer, Android mobile phone, then genuine Windows 10 home edition, then web camera is mandatory. Chrome is browser is must. Minimum 4 GB RAM, minimum 200 to 500 GB hard drive, and high speed internet connectivity. Then a silent room and fresher or experience anyone above 18. Okay, so coming to the eligibility criteria and job description, it's similar. It's both similar. There is no difference. It's also work from home. Training period is same as that. 2 days soft skill and training. Then 5 days product and process training. 6 days OGT and 1 day certification. Now there's a difference in the salary and working hours provided. So this is the difference that is there in this two chat process. Okay, that is fixed payout is 12,000 to 14,000. The salary will vary on experience. Variable payout is incentives, that is on business target. CSAT is 75% payout rupees 500 per month. FTR 92% payout rupees 50 per month. Quality 90% payout rupees 500 per month. And stipend on training will be 3,000 and it will be getting on when you get into the workspace, and then you complete 30 days of working too. And now coming to the working hours, there's a slight difference in that. Working days is 26 days in a month, but the working hours is 8 hours a day. So previously when you get 6,600 as salary, you was working for 5 hours a day, but here you are getting 12,000 to 14,000, so you are working 8 hours a day. Okay, so that is most probably like 5 hours a day, most probably will be good for the part-time job, and this will be most probably good for the full-time. The working days is like that, and Friday, Saturday, Sunday will be not off. It's a mandatory working day. Off will be given during the weekday. So this is same in that. So this is the two different opening available at Swiggy for the chat processor support. So this is a very good opportunity if you are interested in that, and also it's a very good opportunity for the part-time. Okay, because it will be a good earning source for you, and you will be like getting a chance to get in touch with people, to develop your communication, to be polite, to in behavior of communication, everything. So I would highly recommend, because this will give you some it will inculcate some sort of soft skills in you. So these kind of jobs have a greater importance in these sections. So now coming to the application process, you can go with the link that I've mentioned in the description box given below, and after that you have to give an eligibility test. Then you will be completing a course, and then the team will be intimating you through the WhatsApp, and after that you have to go for the second course. Then within a days or 2 days something, you will be contacted by the team itself, and after that you will be getting a training on that before onboarding. Okay, so this is the steps on the complete selection process steps. So I think it's very clear to you, so you can go with the link that I've mentioned and apply for this job at the earliest. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. If you have any further doubts on the same, you can drop it up in the comment section. We'll be looking forward for that as well, and suggestions regarding the video content, welcome to the comment section. So once again we come up with so many of such kind of videos that you are looking forward for. Everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to online study for you.